Hi, welcome to Bruce's Garage. I'm Bruce and this is my garage. Extension cords, extension cords, extension cords. It's hard to get excited about extension cords, but I'm telling you, I got really excited about these cords and I have to share them with you. So come on in the garage and let's have some fun. So what's all the hype about extension cords? Well, let me tell you. So if you've watched some of my videos, you realize I went to Koshemi for some detailer training a month or so ago. And when we were there, they had these extension cords connected to all the polishers as we were in the classroom practicing. And everybody was commenting on these extension cords. One, just how cool they were. There were some really neat colors. They were really flexible. They looked great. They had their brand name on them. I mean, it was something was different about them that really appealed to everyone. And everyone was saying, like, can we buy these? We want to buy these. And I honestly thought Koshemi was going to say, yeah, we sell these on our store. No, they got them from a place called Badass Extension Cords. Yep, that's the name, Badass Extension Cords. I'll have a link in the description. But I wanted to tell you why I'm excited about extension cords. These are pretty cool extension cords. Now, what's so cool about these cords? All right, well, first of all, they sell them in tons of different lengths, tons of different colors, tons of different gauge wire. So these are indoor cords that I have. These are 14 gauge. You'll notice that, this one's a bright red. They have, so here's a longer one that is a bright green. Got another red one. They've got yellow, orange, purple, all different colors. And you may say, okay, big deal. And maybe it is not a big deal. On the other hand, what I was hoping to do was to have different lengths and have different colors for each length. That was going to just be my way of recognizing the size cord that I have. In addition to that, you can get your name, whatever name you want, your business name, your personal name. I have Bruce's Garage, that are actually printed on the extension cords. Now, I thought again, and that doesn't cost any extra. And I thought, oh, well, that's pretty cool. Sometimes you lend out cords to other people. And so it's a great way to say, hey, this is Bruce's cord. So give it back to him when you're done. But, whoever you lend these to, it might be helpful because they can remember and they'll see it all the time whose cord that is. So the other thing I really like about these, they are just super flexible, but yet they roll up really nice, like they're not so rigid that you can't get them back rolled up. They roll up really nice. They seem to be very well made. They have all the way down to 10 gauge for generator use, but they have a big selection. So take a look at Badass Extension Cords. Again, I have the link in the description. You might find some cool colors you like. You might want to have your name printed on them. You might find the gauge wire you want. Indoor, outdoor, multi-outlet, single outlet. They've got it all. So check out Badass Extension Cords. And no, this is not sponsored video, but it sounds like it is. I get it. Anyway, I want you to go out, have fun. Again, I enjoy sharing things that I find that are really valuable in my garage. That's what I'm doing for you. Hopefully you'll find something that you like and that is useful for you. So thanks for coming into the garage today. I appreciate it. Go out and have some fun. Thanks.